Okay, so today we are going to move on in our percent part of the unit, but this time we're going to be looking at sales price. We can use equal fractions to solve problems involving sales price in a very similar way to the percent problems we've already seen. It's just the wording is going to be a little bit different. So previously we had part over total equal to percent over 100. I'm not sure why I'm blue, so I'm going to turn to black really quick. And now, instead of saying part and total, we're going to look at some different words. So we are going to be using discount, which is the amount of money. So this is a dollar amount that's taken off a sales item. Okay, so that's the dollar amount that is taken off whenever you see something that says 20%. This is the dollar amount. The discount is the dollar amount taken off. The original price is how much it costs originally before there's any sales on the item. So this is what the total cost would be. We just call it original. So total and original kind of are the same thing. So when you go to a store and you see a sign that says percent off, like 20% off, 30% off, whatever percent you're getting off, that percent matches with the amount of money you're taking off of the item. So before we've seen it as a number of something and a percent of something matching up. Now the discount matches up with percent off. That's something you're going to have to kind of memorize, that discount and percent off match up. Across from 100 is always going to be the original price. So before it was original as across, or I'm sorry, 100 was across from the total. Now 100 is going to be across from original price. This is the one that we're really going to be looking at today. However, there is another one we're going to look at tomorrow or Monday, and that has to do with sales price. And sales price is the dollar amount you pay after the discount is taken off. Okay? And then that's going to go along with percent paid. So the percent you actually pay for an item. And we're going to, like I said, talk more about that in the next lesson. So we're really going to focus today on discounts. So if we look at example 1, it says a pair of jeans were discounted $9. The original price of the jeans was $30. So that's my original price. It's asking what was the percent of the discount. Okay, so just like we had previously, we want to make sure that we have the numbers we need to answer the question. So in this case, we're given the dollar amount that it's discounted, which is our discount. And we're given the original price of the jeans, and we're looking to find the percent of the discount. So the dollar amount discounted and the percent of the discount, or the percent off it may be called, do match up. So I'm going to use this set of equal fractions. Discount over original price is equal to percent off, which you may see here as percent of the discount, same idea, over 100. And same idea here. Percents are always over 100. 100 should always be across from the original price, and percent off and the discount should always be across from each other. So the discount here is $9. The original price is $30, and I'm just pulling these numbers straight from the problem. And we're looking to see what percent of 100 that is. So in this case, I would look at these, and I would say they can be simplified. 9 over 30, both can be divided by 3, which gives me 3/10. So I'm going to rewrite that as 3/10 equal to percent over 100. 10 times 10 is 100, so 3 times 10 tells me these jeans were 30% off in the store. Okay, so that's what it's saying. Let's look at another example. Okay, so this one says a sweater costs $45. It is on sale for 25% off. What is the discount? So now just to remind you, I'm going to write on the top of the screen here, our discount, which is our dollar amount off, would go over the original price. Across from discount should always be percent off. And under percent or across from 100, either way, should always be 100. So when it says a sweater costs $45, that's talking about the original price of the sweater. In this case, we're given the percent off. So anytime we're given a percent in the problem, I recommend putting that percent piece of the equal fractions first. So I would be putting the 25 first over 100. That's going to equal my discount, or my dollar amount off, over the original price, which the original is $45. Okay, I would then simplify this fraction. So I would say 25 and 100 can both be divided by 25, which would give me 1/4. So I'm just going to rewrite this as 1/4, equaling my discount over 45. So I'm going to do, in my calculator, 45 divided by 4, which tells me it's 11.25. Now I'm all the way in simplest form, and money does deal with decimals, so it's okay to have decimals for dollar amounts in these problems. So I can see 1 times 11.25 tells me it was discounted $11.25. So if you see an item that costs $45 and it's in sale for 25% off, the discount would be $11.25. Now here it's asking, what is the sales price? If you know the original cost of an item and you know the discount, or the amount of money that you are taking off of the item, you can take the original price and subtract the discount. And what's left over is how much you will pay for the item, or the sales price. Remember, the sales price is how much you're actually paying for the item. So we'll go ahead and do this. And we'll see that if a sweater was originally $45, but it was 25% off, you would actually end up paying $33.75 for that sweater. This is taking our original, subtracting the discount, and getting your sales price. Again, discount is dollar amount off of the original price. Sales price is how much you would pay for it after the discount. Okay, the next problem says there is a 65% off sale on luggage. If the discount of the luggage was $39, what was the original price? So here I'm given the percent off and the discount. It's telling us the discount was $39. So remember, it's discount over original. Discount matches with percent off, and that goes over 100. In this problem, once again, I'm given a percent. So I'm going to put the percent piece of the equal fractions first. So the percent off is 65%. So the 65 goes over 100. The discount does match with percent off and discount match. So that means the 39 will go across from the 65, and I'm looking to find the original. And again, original should always be across from 100. So now I'm going to go ahead and simplify my 65 over 100. I am going to divide both of these by 5. And get 13/20. So I'm going to rewrite the 65 over 100 as 13/20. I'm going to bring down the other side of my equal fraction, so 39 over the original. I need to figure out how many times 13 can go into 39, which if you're not sure, you can do 39 divided by 13 to get 3. So you would see that 13 times 3 is 39. I'm going from a smaller number to a larger number, so I'm multiplying. If I'm going from left to right times 3 in my numerator, I must do the same in my denominator. So 20 times 3 will get me my original price of $60. Okay, so again, just using those equal fractions. Okay, so those are the examples for lesson 28 on sales price, specifically using percent off and discount.